Hi guys, I am Isa. Today we're going to learn how to do basic bash commands. Anyways, so you probably knew before, you can use echo to write text. You can declare variables like this. I'm going to say name is equal to this. So now if I say echo hello, then I'm going to add the name. That's going to say hello and what we put in the name variable. Or you can also echo things to a file. So let's say echo hello. So then we're gonna use this this greater than sign. We're gonna say pong.text. So now if you list everything, we're gonna see that pong.text is thing. We can use the cat command to see what's in pong.text, which it just says hello. Anyways, so if we say echo pong.text, and then we use the cat function to see it, it's gonna completely replace it with pong. So we can use these double greater than signs. So instead of replacing it, go to append it. Anyways, there's also the head and tail command, which show the first and the last page. The first and last items of a book, items of a document. But like this is not really long at all, so it's not really good or anything. The next function we have is grep. What does grep do? So let's say grep PO. It's gonna search for what you put in the grep. So here let's say grep O. So yeah. So like let's say echo. So let's echo this to pong.text. So now if we use grep O on it, it's gonna say the two O's, but we only want to do this O. So what's so special about that O? Well, it's surrounded by P, O, and N. And then we can just use grep O. Okay, never mind, that doesn't work. But yeah, the next way we're gonna look at is the hashtag number commands. So like basically, let's create a bash file. Let's see if I have vim. Okay, I have vim. So I'm gonna say echo hello and the -1 siggy. So now let's save my file as p.sh. So I'm gonna quit. Then I'm gonna /p.sh. I'm gonna say bash p.sh. It says hello, but if I give it an argument like Isa, it's gonna say hello Isa. So the reason it has 1 in it, because it's the first argument. If it was the second argument, you'd put 2. If it was the third, you put 3, and so on. You can also use inputs using the read command. So we still have that name variable. So if we write read name, so if I write something, so now if I write echo name, it's gonna return what red. So what's this? Let's just write, I don't know, a simple bash program or something. So let's use vim. Yeah, we can also use touch to create a new file. So I'm gonna say touch bash.text. Oh yeah, bash.sh. So now I'm gonna use vim to open up bash.sh. So anyways, I'm going to say name is equal to I'm just gonna make it an empty string. Oh yeah, it can't contain these things. Say age is equal to this, and the number is equal to this. I'm gonna say num1. You're just gonna set it to an empty string. Num2. It's also gonna be an empty string. Alright, so the one function I haven't talked about we're gonna be using here is BC. Which sometimes you're gonna have to install that. But basically it just you're given a string and it does arithmetic of that string. If I say 5 plus 4 as a string, it's going to return 9. So if I say 5 plus 4 BC, well, I meant to echo 5 plus 4 BC, it's going to say 9. Alright, so I'm going to say read name. Here we're going to say echo what is your name. Let's say echo what is your age. You can say that to read age. Let's say echo what is the first number and read num1. Let's say echo what is the second and read num2. It's not gonna echo whatever this is. We're gonna say echo your name is name. Echo you are 8 years old, and echo the sum of the two numbers is, so I'm gonna say numbers is, so I'm gonna say echo, so let's say 5 plus 4 BC. So as you can see, we can only do it with things that have only numbers and signs in them. So I'm gonna change this to print so that I won't read the new line. The two numbers is, I'm gonna say echo num1 plus num2, and I'm gonna give that to the BC function. Alright, so now let's save our file. Save bash.sh. Let's quit, and let's see the content of bash.sh. So if we use the head function here, it's only going to show like the top half or something like that. If we use the tail function, it's going to show the bottom half. Alright, so now let's find one. We're going to use chmod plus x. I'm going to use that on bash.sh, so that you'll be able to run it like this. Bash.sh. What's your name? What's your age? What's the first number? 7. What's the second? 9. Alright, so about that. So it says this properly, and it says the sum of the two numbers. So yeah, about this, I have to replace the print with echo. Alright, so now let's run it. Let's just write some random stuff. Anyway, so yeah, our program's working. So that's gonna be it for today's tutorial. If you enjoyed, leave a like and subscribe. So bye.